The 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS represents the pinnacle of open-top grand touring performance, blending breathtaking power with timeless Italian design and unrivaled driving emotion. As the convertible version of Ferrari's celebrated 812 lineup, the GTS carries forward the spirit of the legendary front-engine V12 roadsters that have long defined the marque's history. This latest iteration takes everything enthusiasts loved about the original 812 V12 and refines it with subtle yet significant improvements in design, performance, and technology, ensuring it remains one of the most desirable open-top supercars in the world. At its heart, the 2026 812 GTS remains true to Ferrari tradition with a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that delivers a spine-tingling soundtrack and an astonishing surge of power. Producing well over 800 horsepower, the V12 revs with a ferocity that few modern engines can match, offering instant throttle response and a visceral connection between driver and machine. The engine is paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, ensuring seamless gear changes that balance performance and refinement whether cruising along scenic roads or attacking high-speed straights. Ferrari's decision to keep the V12 naturally aspirated in an era dominated by turbocharging and electrification is a bold statement that prioritizes purity and emotion over trends. The retractable hardtop roof is another highlight of the 812 GTS, allowing drivers to switch from coupe-like refinement to open-air exhilaration in just a few seconds. With the roof down, the sound of the V12 becomes even more intoxicating, wrapping the driver and passenger in a symphony of mechanical music that no artificial exhaust note can replicate. Ferrari has also paid careful attention to aerodynamics, ensuring that the GTS maintains stability and comfort at high speeds even with the roof lowered. Subtle refinements to airflow management reduce turbulence in the cabin, making long-distance journeys more enjoyable while retaining the car's thrilling character. Visually, the 2026 812 GTS exudes an aura of elegance and aggression. Its long hood, sculpted sides, and muscular rear proportions are unmistakably Ferrari, blending beauty with aerodynamic function. The design updates for this model year sharpen its presence with refined details such as redesigned lighting elements, improved intakes, and aerodynamic tweaks that not only enhance performance but also make the car appear more modern and purposeful. Whoa. The convertible silhouette remains perfectly balanced thanks to Ferrari's design expertise in integrating the folding roof system without compromising the car's proportions or dynamic stance. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of luxury craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Premium leathers, carbon fiber accents, and meticulous detailing create an environment that feels both opulent and focused on driving. The driver-centric layout places all essential controls within easy reach, while the latest Ferrari infotainment system provides modern connectivity without overwhelming the pure driving experience. Digital displays are seamlessly integrated with traditional elements, offering customizable information for performance driving, navigation, and entertainment. Comfort has also been enhanced, making the GTS suitable for both thrilling weekend drives and extended grand tours. On the road, the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS is as exhilarating as it is rewarding. Advanced chassis systems, including rear-wheel steering, adaptive suspension, and Ferrari's sophisticated traction management, ensure that the immense power is delivered with precision and confidence. The steering is sharp and communicative, giving the driver complete control over every corner, while the balance between agility and stability makes the car feel equally at home on tight mountain roads or fast highways. Despite its immense performance capabilities, the GTS can also be driven with surprising ease, offering a level of refinement and comfort that makes it more versatile than many expect from a 800-plus horsepower convertible. The 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS is more than just a car. It is a celebration of Ferrari's heritage and commitment to delivering pure driving emotion in an era of increasing electrification. It pays homage to the brand's legendary V12 convertibles of the past while embracing modern advancements that enhance performance and usability. For enthusiasts, it represents the ultimate expression of open-air grand touring, a rare combination of blistering speed, timeless beauty, and an irreplaceable soundtrack. In every sense, it stands as one of the finest examples of Ferrari's ability to create machines that stir the soul as much as they dominate the road.